here to present to you a wonderful puppet show. Today I have a story that's close to my heart, as the characters are quite real to me. Let me introduce you to one of the most beloved fairy tales of all time. It's a story of excitement, endeavor, and engineering. It's also a story that asks a question: who is afraid of the big bad wolf? So everybody, put your hands together and clap for all the characters in this story. The story of the three real pigs.
Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who were all brothers. Their names were Fifer Pig, Fiddler Pig, and Practical Pig. As they grew bigger, the time came for the three little pigs to go out into the big world to build their homes and seek their fortunes. Now, Fifer Pig liked to play his flute, but he did not like to work very hard.
Well, I'm off to build my home and seek my fortune in the big wide world. Boy, I do hope it won't be too difficult.
Be careful. Did you know there's a big bad wolf who lives in the forest? I heard he likes nothing better than eating little pigs. Make sure you build a strong house to keep him out.
Oh, brother, you worry too much. I've never built a house before. I wonder how I should start. What should I make it out of? Stones? No, too heavy. Wood? No, I don't want all that bother chopping down trees. But look, here's some straw. Perfect. Say, this won't be so hard after all.
So Fifer Pig built himself a quick and easy house of straw. But no sooner had the little pig finished his little house than out of the forest appeared the big bad wolf.
I am so hungry. I could really do with a ham dinner right about now. Why, look at that little pig over there. He looks delicious, plump and tender. It must be dinner time. Over the lips and past the gums. Look out, tummy. Here it comes. Hiding inside your hut, Well, that won't stop me, little pig. Little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
So the big bad wolf took a deep, deep breath and blew the little straw house all to pieces.
Oh, no.
Stop, little pig. You can't get away. I'll get you. Oh, no. All the straw. Blessed hay fever.
I'm off to build my home and seek my fortune in the big wide world. I hope it won't take too long. I've got a lot of other things to do today. Just watch out for that big bad wolf. He's dangerous.
Oh, don't be such a worrywart.
What would be the fastest way to build a house? Concrete? No, takes too long to dry. Steel? Where am I going to find steel in the forest? No. Hey, here's a bunch of sticks. Fantastic! I'll be done in no time.
So Fiddler Pig built himself a quick and easy house of sticks. But no sooner had the little pig finished his little house than out of the forest appeared the big bad wolf.
I can't believe that pig got away from me. But look, there's another little pig. This must be my lucky day.
Yikes!
That pile of twigs won't stop me. But I'll be sneaky this time and trick that little pig out of his house. That pig's too smart for me, I guess. I'll go home.
Then the big bad wolf hid behind a tree. Soon the door opened and Fiddler Pig peeked out.
Ha! He's gone! So much for the big bad wolf.
Suddenly there was a knock at the door. The little pig peeked out. On the doorstep there was something white and woolly. It was the big bad wolf again. He had covered himself with a sheepskin and was curled up pretending to be a little lost lamb.
I'm a poor little sheep with no place to sleep. Please open the door and let me in.
Not by the hair of my chin, chin, chin. You can't fool me with your old sheepskin.
That made the big bad wolf very angry. The little pig watched him throw off the sheepskin. Then he came to the door and growled.
And I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
So the big bad wolf took a deep breath and blew the little house all to pieces.
Help! Help!
Oh, no, you don't, little pig. You're not gonna get away, too. Ouch. Oh, I stubbed my toe. Mommy!
So the little pig barely escaped from the big bad wolf. But what was the third pig, Practical Pig, doing all this time? He had gone out into the big wide world to build his home and seek his fortune. But he was building a sturdy house of bricks. As he smoothed the water and laid the bricks, he sang.
It's hard work laying bricks all day in the hot sun, but it will be worth it. My house will be strong and will keep me safe from the big bad wolf. There, it's all done.
Help, help, brother! The big bad wolf is after me! He blew down my house and chased me away! Save me!
That big bad wolf is a menace. Don't worry, you'll be safe inside my house. The walls are very strong. Blew it down? Couldn't have been much of a house. What did he build it out of? Sand?
Help! Help! Brother, the big bad wolf is after me! He blew down my house and chased me away! Save me!
Okay, run inside my house with Pfeiffer. Uh-oh, here comes the big bad wolf. Time to go inside and lock the door.
Little pigs, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
So the big bad wolf took a deep breath and blew as hard as he could. He blew and blew until he was blue in the face. But the brick house was strong and sturdy as ever.
Well, if I can't blow the house in, I'll go up on the roof and come down the chimney. Then I'll catch those three little pigs.
So he climbed up to the top of the little brick house. But Practical Pig heard the wolf up on the roof.
Hurry, light a fire under the kettle in the fireplace.
The big bad wolf didn't know he was right above the kettle of boiling water.
Now I'll climb down the chimney.
The wolf sprang straight up the chimney, toppled off the roof, and scrambled away into the woods.
We're safe, we're safe.